Now I'm going to show you some things. Okay, you just see that and identify. I will give you some clue and I will ask you some question answer. Okay. Yeah. Javeria, come. Yeah. What are these? You can show to your friends also. Okay. So what are these? See that properly and tell me. Jewelry, it is correct. It's beads, pearls. Then how it looks. It is made by using machinery or what? Okay. What do we call such type of jewelry? Handmade jewelries. You just go through each one. It's purely handmade jewelries only. We are not used any machine-oriented skill to make this. Okay? Did you get? Yeah, you just show this also. So, what do we call such type of jewelries? Handmade jewelries. Okay. Okay. Yes. Because later I will give you, just see that. Okay. Yeah. Just show them and find out. So this is also, it's homemade, right? Okay. Then show me this. Candle, right? So what do you feel about this? It's a homemade, or sometimes we can, if it is huge production, then we can make use of machines and we can produce this, right? But in rural area or the people who are depend on economic progress, so that they are making this kind of candles, right? So you just think that this as produced from that category people. Okay, so this is also comes under handmade, right? Okay, just show this. So this is, so what do you think about this? What it is? These are all toys, right? Okay. So do you know the place where they are making toys? It is Chenapatna. Okay. Yes. Sidma. So now you came to know by observing all these objects. The first one is handcrafted jewelry. Second one, homemade appam. Third one, candle. Fourth one, toys. Right? Yeah. In our surroundings or in our day-to-day life, these kinds of things are familiar to us. Right? So what do we call such a type of production? Small scale industry. Okay, fine. Now, can anyone tell me what is small scale industry? You just stand up and tell me, ma.
Anything that is not made in very large number or made at home, handmade without any use of machines or
Correct. Right, modify.
anything that is
define what it is small scale industry? Yes, Jairam.
Any production house where the number of laborers are less than 25, that industry is called a small scale industry.
Okay, very good. Note down. First, you note down this, the meaning or the definition of small scale industries. Small scale industries are small scale industries that let's note down this. Yes, Nandita, you just read out what it is small scale industry.
Small scale industries are industries that manufacture, produce, and render services as or small or micro scale level.
Now you understood, no, the meaning. So, what, sit down, what you have understood the meaning, keeping that, try to go back again what the materials we have seen to identify that. Okay, so from that easily you can understand what is small scale industry and how people are leading their life by being themselves in that small scale industries. Okay, now you understood what are small scale industries. Now give me few more examples which you have seen. Very good, agarbattis.
Mehendi cone production.
Huh?
Mehendi cone production.
Mehendi cone production, very good. Wait ma, from this side. Very good. Pickle. Embroidery work. Huh? Jam, okay. Anything else? Huh? Bakery products, very good.
And more bags.
Okay, fine students. You are able to give any number of examples for this, right? Now, hope you all, plates, yes, okay, very good. So, hope you understood what are small scale industries and what are the examples we can see in our day-to-day life. Okay, thank you. Now you just see that components and tell me where what mistake I did.